Hello everyone, this is Sunday, July 14th. Let me take you through this open house in Novi. It is a beautiful house, colonial, 2-story with 4 bedrooms, possibility of a 5th bedroom. And it's in a really, really nice area, right off of 12 Mile Road and Novi Road. Now I am in the house. This is the living dining with all wood floors. Living dining, the dining area and the den all have wood floors with a fireplace, nice open floor plan, kitchen with granite counters and a bar, sit-down bar area for a breakfast area, all stainless steel appliances. It has a possibility of a master bedroom. This is the master bedroom or the bedroom on the first floor, which has been converted into a library by the owner. So there is a possibility of a first floor master. And it's got 3 bedrooms on the upper floor. See? When you go up, 3 bedrooms on the upper floor, 2.5 baths. There is also a possibility of a 5th bedroom. All you need to do is enclose that den area or the attic space on top. It's large enough, has a big window, and which could be a 5th bedroom. So lots and lots and lots of space. With the bridge, lots of light in the house, nice big windows. This is the children's bedroom, one of them. Coming into the bathroom, and here's the master bedroom, huge master bedroom, nice big windows, and a very, very large bathroom with a shower and a tub. So lots and lots of space. Come and stop by and see it today. 45223 Bartlett Avenue in Novi from 1 to 3 p.m. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.